Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Sadhika, welcoming all of you all to this lovely awards night. Hyundai Construction Equipment presents Construction Times Award 2017, powered by Kone Elevators. We welcome our guest of honor, Professor M.N. Sri Hari, Advisor to Government of Karnataka for Traffic Transport and Infrastructure. Thank you so very much, sir. Can we have a round of applause for our guest here? Although it has been said that nothing is achieved until you dream about it, this evening, that road culminates on this podium with successful people and winning companies being honored for their best performances. We would like to welcome our event partners, event partner Tata Projects, corporate partner Mirador Dwellers, business tour partner Orbit Tours and Travel, lanyard partner Sika Chemical, online partner Fido Wallet, India's first online credit card, and supporting organization Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council. Now, we begin this evening with the lighting of the auspicious lamp. To light the lamp, may I request Mr. Anand Sudarshan, Chairman and Managing Director, Showing Sterra India, and Chairman Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council, Mr. Shamraj Prasad, Commissioner Central GST and Central Excise, Palghar and South Mumbai Commissionerates, Professor Sri Hari, Professor K. Purushottam Reddy, Mr. Kranti Shanbag, Director, ARC Events and Media, and Sri Ashok Kenny, Managing Director, Nandi Infrastructure Corridor Enterprise Limited, and MLA Bidar South Constituency to join us for the lighting of the lamp. May I now request Mr. Ramamurthy Mayavan to escort the guest to honor on the stage. Construction Time Award 2017 is organized by ARC Events and Media Group. Under the group, we have two publications, Construction Time magazine, dedicated for the construction and infrastructure industry, and Equipment Times, a magazine which is the backbone of construction equipment industry. May I now invite Mr. Ramamurthy Mayavan, Publisher and Editor-in-Chief, Construction Times, to give the welcome address. So ladies and gentlemen, please put in your hands together for Mr. Ramamurthy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome Sri Shamraj Prasad, GST Commissioner for Mumbai, Professor Sri Hari, Advisor to Government of Karnataka, the distinguished guests, and the winners. Taking the pleasure to announce Hyundai Construction Equipment presents Construction Times Award 2017, powered by Kone Elevators. I wish to thank the entire construction industry to make this special evening very special. We celebrate these achievements today with the support of the hard work of our jury members who are present here. Building a strong nation in spite of many challenges and adversities, the construction industry drives the nations forward in terms of progress and economics. The very nature of the construction industry is to give, and keep giving. In today's challenging time, the industry has managed to excel in various fronts. It certainly speaks volumes of the tremendous efforts put by all of you. Construction Times has given you a small token of appreciation for these efforts which you have taken today. Strengthening the infrastructure and the economy. You people are the real pillars of India. We wish to salute all the construction industry by honoring you all today. We have received as many as 136 nominations for these editions, which each editions, our jury member, this was a tremendous effort put by our team. Overall, we had received 220 odd nominations, which was rejected on the initial phase, and we shortlisted to 136, and from 36, we are winning only the 35 best in the country. Thank you. Before making much time of yours, because we are already delayed because of rain and Mumbai traffic, we know, I once again welcome you all to Construction Times Award 2017. Thank you very much.
I now invite Mr. Anand Sudarshan, Chairman and Managing Director, Schwing Stereo India and Chairman Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council, to come up onto the stage and address the audience for the usage of new technological product to speed the projects.
I'm greatly honored and proud to be here for this function because most of our customers are getting the award. Even the nominators, they are our customers in some way or the other. So I'm really very happy and proud to be amongst all the award winners. It is very nice of the Construction Times to give this award, basically because as common man, we say that, अरे लाइट नहीं आ रहा है, गाड़ी नहीं चल रहा है, रोड ठीक नहीं है, all these kind of things we talk about it. But the effort what gets into either constructing a road or constructing a dam or a power project, and the effort taken by the contractors and the construction companies is really unbelievable. There are so many unsung heroes who are working on this day and night, leaving their families far away from the construction time, from their family to in the construction site for months together, sometimes even years together, and they definitely need to be recognized for building the infrastructure of our country. So I would say that it's a great job done by Construction Times to acknowledge their services for the country.
I would now like to invite Dr. S.S. Porwal, retired VSM, additional DGBR, HQ Border Road Organization, to give a brief on the judging criteria.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries on dais, of the dais. As Mr. Ramurthy has already mentioned, about 136 entries, nominees were there under the leadership of Professor M.N. Srihari and our colleagues of all jury members. We put our best efforts to shortlist the right projects, sectors, and individuals. Broadly, 3 categories were there. Firstly, it was a project award, then sectoral award and individual award. The Construction Times has meticulously planned the complete process of selection of the winners. There was a proper process flow, criteria, parameters, and during the interactive session, whole day we discussed ourselves, and wherever certain inputs are required, we had even contacted all the nominees where, in order to have a fair and transparent manner, the complete assessment. So the jury had put their best efforts to select the right people, right projects, and the correct sectors. And let me congratulate all those who have won this thing. And those who are nominated could not make it, they can try for the next year. And let me share my experience as Additional Director General Border Roads. I have served almost 35 years in the border difficult areas where the equipment is the backbone. In fact, in that area, we don't get manpower. Like skilling is very, as Additional Director General in Arunachal, we had equipments where we did not have an operators. In fact, we need to bridge the gap between the construction equipments and the right operators. And I would like to share my experience. Since being a departmental construction, a good operator can produce you double the output, and bad operator will give you half the output. So difference can be 4 times. So training, it is not only the equipment operators, it is the site supervisors, which is another missing link in our construction industry. So we have to train not only operators, we have to train the supervisors. We have to train the various logistics people. And I have seen the Subansiri project, that area happens to follow me, so all the degree of difficulties are there. And as a president of Indian Road Congress in 2016, in fact, I could oversee many of the issues of the construction industry, particularly roads, bridges, and tunnels. with the proper, I think, networking and management and equipment coordination, if we put all things together, we can add our GDP by 2 to 3% by fast-pacing it. Mr. Rampurti, editor-in-chief, and his team, in particular, taking a lot of interest in the eastern part of our country. In fact, I had spent almost more than 25 years in the eastern sector in difficult areas. These areas need to be developed on faster pace, and I'm thankful to the complete team of the construction time and Mr. Ramurthy for taking special interest for the eastern sector. And I am really grateful to the construction time to give us opportunity, and I am on behalf of Professor M.N. Sireri and all the colleagues of jury, I would like to thank to the construction times, and on behalf of all the jury members, I would like to congratulate those who have won the award. Thank you.
And may I now invite Mr. H.S. Mohan, Chief Executive Officer, Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council, to share his views on the skilling initiatives. Please put in your hands together for Mr. H.S. Mohan.
I come from the root cause of last two speakers who spoke well on their equipment, need, requirement, skill, and I really take Dr. Parwal's thing, how difficult it is. A guy can give you half the output or give the 4 times output. All this cannot happen without a proper operator. I can tell you this, and I'll give you a small example. If you want to start a day, if you get a good driver for the day, your day is done. Otherwise, I have been in sales for long, and I've been in the industry for 40 years now. A good driver can make a day. A bad driver can spoil the complete day. This is happening on a car. You imagine what Mr. Anand Sundaresan said. Technology has grown multifold, and crores of equipment are beyond to a guy who does not have a license to operate. A guy, any Tom, Dick, and Harry comes and operates a machine, and we expect that, he builds a good road, he gives the productivity, he saves the fuel, and he makes the profit. It's all, it's all going on for so many years and years and years. This is the right time that, Indian Construction Equipment Manufacturers Association, supported by the, CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, this has come out with the Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council.
I would now like to invite members of our illustrious juries to come up as their names are announced. And may I request Mr. Yon Soo Lee, Managing Director, Hyundai Construction Equipment, to join us onto the stage and present the mementos to our distinguished panel. Let's put in your hands together, loudly, all of you all. Let's hear it for them. Come on, louder. To hand over this. Let's keep the applaud going till the time the winners don't walk up onto the stage. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all,
Well, the final winner in the category Contribution to Construction Industry, Emerging Construction Company of the Year, the award goes to Roadway Solution India Private Limited. And may I request Mr. Amit Godkhore, Managing Director, Roadway Solution, to kindly walk up onto the stage to receive the honor.
So this is a great honor for all the women in the industry, truly inspiring and great recognition of the work that we do. And we have a big task ahead to build new India. So let's go out there and achieve and come back here next year to win more awards. Jai Hind.
We are quite humbled. We are a company just, making mark. Thanks to Construction Times and Ramamurthy for recognizing us. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, sir.
It's felt very, very nice to get acknowledged from Construction Times and Construction World. Construction World means the whole construction industry here. I'm just always sitting here and getting recognized. My company has been doing last 20 years in infrastructure, almost constructed 7,000 lane kilometers and maintaining them those also. It's really, I feel that acknowledging what we have done for the infrastructure industry in the country. And we'll keep on striving doing that again and again. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.
This award looks like the Oscar. So usually the Oscar, what do they say? This, I thank my wife, I thank my mother, I thank everybody. Just kidding, I thank all the people who work for me.
At the outset, I am extremely grateful to Mr. Ramamurthy Garu and the other dignitaries, the members of the jury, for recognizing the subject of environment. It's very important, as all of you are aware. I do not wish to give a lengthy speech, but I was very much inspired by my friend who is a VSM and the other speakers there, who spoke about the National Vocational Educational Qualification Framework.
Lifetime Achievement Award. Unfortunately, I am traveling and hence unable to be present here today. Thank you.
Honorable Sri Hari, Advisor to Government of Karnataka, Sri Ramamurthy Mahavan, Editor-in-Chief, Construction Times, Event Times, and ARC Events and Media Private Limited, distinguished members from construction and infrastructure sectors, all participants, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everybody. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the award winners for their outstanding performances in various fields of construction and infrastructure. I heartily thank Construction Time Magazine and ARK Events and Media Private Limited for organizing this scintillating award ceremony and giving me opportunity to personally interact with you all and share some salient features of the new taxation system, GST, which has been implemented from 1st of July.
Let me congratulate all the winners because everyone has creditably done a wonderful job, wonderful work in which the country looked forward. When 2.5 years back, if I remember very well, our Honorable Prime Minister said, we have to go for smart city development, we have to make smart India. In fact, at that time, not much known about sustainability and livability. And in fact, I took it forward with due apologies to the Honorable Prime Minister. I put 2 words to be added up to smart cities. One is sustainable cities, which is good for the future also, and livable cities. People should be comfortable, not for today, even year to come. So in those 2 messages I carried, and that have been included now on the smart solutions. And even I cannot say, because my father is a contractor, I cannot do contract anymore. So I must have enough qualification, I must have a certification, I must have a documentation, and my work documentation should prove the worth of my work, what I get. So keeping it in mind is not the qualification and the skill. Those two things are very, very, are the important for you to carry out any work on the smart solution or intelligent solution, which we are looking for the entire country. And our country is our fastest growing country in the world now, and hence we look forward more your job, your work to take it forward to make India a best livable cities or one of the livable cities in the world. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to be here. Thank you very much.